Welcome back to the course again. So in this tutorial we're gonna install Go on Windows machine. So for that we have to click on golang.org, then we have to click on download Go, and then we have to select the operating system, that is Microsoft Windows, and then we have to click on MSI, and we have to save the installer file. Then we have to click on installer file, click next, install. Once the installation finished, we have to open command prompt and type go version. It's showing, that means our Go is installed properly. Next we have to go to our home directory. Inside that we have to create a folder called Go. Inside that we have to create 3 subfolders called package, src and live. I will tell you why I'm creating later. Then we have to go to environment variables and we can set GOPATH and GOROOT here. So my default path is already taken, so I'm not going to set. And next, to verify all the things, we have to click on Go env. Will show the GOROOT, GOPATH with lot of information. So guys, that's it for this session.